The Tamil Nadu Assembly on August 12th passed a resolution urging the centre to retain the Lok Sabha's strength at 543 seats and ensure 33% reservation for women from the 2029 elections. The resolution, moved by Chief Minister C. Joseph Vijay, was passed after nearly 2 hours of debate. It also called for 33% women's reservation in state assembly elections. Vijay said the reservation should not be delayed and described it as not a concession but their democratic right. The resolution also urged the centre to ensure that states with successfully implemented population control measures are not disadvantaged by the proposed delimitation exercise. The DMK, CPI and CPIM backed the resolution. Former Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palaniswamy said the AIADMK supported only the clause seeking women's reservation. However, PMK and NDA ally opposed the resolution and called for its withdrawal.